Today I wanted to cook something easy with chicken for lunch, and when it comes to chicken, I always go for dark meat. It's just juicier, more flavorful, way more forgiving in the kitchen, so it is hard to mess it up. And even if you overcook it a little, it still stays pretty moist, which I really appreciate. And it's usually more affordable too. So for this recipe, I learned that if you brush a little vinegar right before the end, you will get some crispy chicken skin. Awesome. You need to try this out. Last bite.